Now, musician and artist Scott Maphuma has been trending for all the wrong reasons. His fans have labeled him as very rude and arrogant, though he has presented them with hit after hit. Honestly speaking, the young man is blessed and musically he's very talented. He also stated in a recent podcast interview that he owed his talent and fame to no one else but God. Problem is, akawancengi at all ama-fans, and he doesn't seem interested in their views or their comments where he's concerned. Because he, in his own words, says he owes fans nothing. Now, in this particular video, I want us to take a look at 5 instances where Scott was disappointing or disrespectful or rude or even arrogant to his fans. Now, this countdown is in no particular order. So in this first clip, it's very sad when Antwana. So first of all, Scott enters the venue with his clique, and obviously the fans in the crowd are excited to see him. One of them reach out to touch him, and oh, Tsava they look, Untwana. Is that how you look at your fans? Yini, do they disgust you? Do they smell? Hayibo, kwenzenjani? Yo, asiphume lapho, parking lot incident, akumamele la.
Kingi? Ingi? Eh? Oh, why ngishebile wena? Ungishebelanga. Akukho loti mbusi. Mara nakukho loti. Akukho loti nings. Silo ko buphilo. Ka kolotana. Manje ungishebile. Kicheria ha una. Kicheria ha. Yo, ungishebile mina. Eh? Some puppy now.
Now, number 3 was very, very popular. He's busy, he's being a DJ, he's dancing, gumnandi. Mara since when are the other groovers crazy, gemanje? They came out to watch you perform, to have fun now and to be social. And when you see crazy people, what's going on, Ganti? Now, the next one is super sad for me. I really feel for baby girl. But before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel. I'm still on the road to 500 subs and would really, really appreciate your support. So after a great performance, one would be excited and happy, but not to Scott. He's so done with this crowd. He wants nothing to do with them. Not even give a small anyana hug to baby girl who was waiting on him. So on this last one, I wanted to play the audio for you, but it had background music, so I couldn't. So basically, the dude in black wanted a small anyana interview with the Scott, but Mr. Maphuma refused, stating that Agana's kati, there's absolutely no time. Like, honestly, did you see the disappointment on that dude's face?
Cool, because abantu sebalithathile iside labo mngani. Ebantwini ngumuntu one-attitude and ngumuntu rude, so it is what it is. Ayikho into engizoyenza. Oh yeah. Yeah, plus angithi sinalo emhlabeni. Yeah, so like kunabantu nabo bakuvelela into engekho shaba. Makhala umuntu ungizondela mara akakufuni like. Yeah. And ayikho into ongayenza. Yeah, the more ngiyilungisa
that's how it is, bitch.
Yeah, and
Ngoma le ngeke sithande sonke sithi imali what.
Yeah, I think kuba bonke
ongakatshelwa yimi ukuthi une-attitude awunayo macala kumele uzitshelwe yimi ukuthi ayazi ngisikhozo manje ngathi uya-acta.
And despite that, like sometimes ezinye izinto ngaphandle kwemfene manje ngifika umi kancane manje wena kanti yini ngawo
mara mfana libeke mfana lento ngeke lisikela grade 9 angeke.
Ingisebenzele ndoda. Ingisebenzele ndoda. Khona basicedile ndoda.
Mara bafuna ukusebenzela wena namhlanje.
Basicedile bayena sevasisi.
Hey Mpilo. Khona seva obuye vasithi ufuna ukufanela wena namhlanje.
No.
Bosantshela Sikotsotsi.
ngiyasho lento le simple ntwana yami yabo very very simple because akusizi shop akusizi ntwana yami like njengoba ngisho ukuthi kukumanje phela kunabantu aboma 1.6 abalana sonke ngineshow mina ukuthi bonke sonke njengoba sila kule live manje khona abantu abasisondela izinto esingazazi and like ayina nokuthi khona umuntu okusondela into wrong but like ongayazi into engekho
into engekho nje.
yeah into engekho and I believe ukuthi sonke la njengoba sikuma 1.6 mhlambe khona vele futhi singakhulumi kakhulu because bazothi mina ngithe yabo but like sengisho ukuthi like I think siyayazi ukuthi siyayazi attitude sonke and siyakwazi ukuba rude